everyone. I hope you guys are having a good day. I hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas. But on today's video, I am tackling my kids' bathroom. It was dirty, but it wasn't too bad. But I do have a son and a daughter, and if you guys are moms of boys, y'all know. It kind of smelled like pee in here because boys have bad aim in the morning, pretty much anytime. Boys just have bad aim. So this bathroom smelled like pee a little bit, so I was getting that all cleaned up because my in-laws were coming down for Christmas. But I was using one of my favorite products, Lysol disinfectant, to wipe down the counters and the sink, and then I sprayed on the toilet, let it sit its 2 minutes, and then go in and wipe it down. And I used it in the shower just because I was out of some shower scrubbing bubbles. Not necessarily the scrubbing bubbles for your shower, just I didn't have any good shower cleaner. I was out and I was not going into town the night before Christmas Eve because I already knew it was going to be crazy. So I am just using what I have on hand, but it worked just the same. The shower still got cleaned, so that was all that mattered to me. So now I was just wiping down the toilet. I start from the handle to the top of the lid to the back part, and then I go on to the toilet lid and then the seat, and then I eventually get that back piece. I'm just weird that way. I start with the cleanest part of the toilet, and then I go down to like the toilet seat and the toilet lid and all that, and then I'll get the base and everything else. If that makes any sense, but y'all just seeing how I cleaned it. So I'm just going to scrub the inside of it out. Now, when it came to rinsing this, I was having to use a cup to rinse the shower wall and the tub out. Yeah, that doesn't work for me. So I really need to go and get some new shower heads for the kids' bathroom and ours, because I like the ones that, that detach and everything. So it just makes it easier to clean the showers and give the dog a bath, because I've got 2 puppies that stink that need baths, and it's just a hassle to try to give a dog a bath having to use a cup. I don't know, it's just not my cup of tea. But anyways, enough of my rant. So now I am just getting the floor mopped. I did sweep. My battery had died, so you just didn't see me sweeping, but it did. And so now I am going in and getting it all mopped up. But I do need to find a longer shower curtain. Either that or I need to lower the curtain rod. But I think I would like to find a longer shower curtain. I think it would just look better. So now I am getting this stuff moved out of the way. My husband bought a new shop vac, so I was getting that put over there by the back door so it can go to the shed. And getting this couch cleaned off. It sort of has been a catch-all there for like a day or two. So I just need to get it all cleaned off. And I just got a new oil diffuser. This thing is massive. I wanted one big enough that I can just fill up with water and my oil, and it would just make my house smell so good, because our house is a huge open floor plan now. So I didn't want like 5 or 6 oil diffusers throughout the house. I just wanted 2 good sized ones. So I found this. It was like $30. I love it. And I have another one on my bar. So it just makes the house smell really good. And Thor is looking out the window. He has ruined those blinds just by looking out the window. So now I need to get those replaced. But right now I'm just folding up my husband's uniforms, and then I'm going to get the air mattress put up and the kitty litter and get everything else done. Now I am getting the floor vacuumed, and I am using my cordless Dyson. I am obsessed with this vacuum cleaner. I love it. But I am getting these floors vacuumed because sweeping them with a broom it takes way too long. I would rather vacuum them anyways with my Dyson. It just gets up so much more. So now I'm going in and getting these floors mopped. And I am using my oak cedar mop. I love this, but mopping these floors with this little bitty mop, y'all, this kills me. It took me from start to finish one day over an hour to get the whole house mopped. And I did that like when we first moved in and it had started raining, so the dogs were kind of dirty. So I started back from like the kids' bathroom, the hallway, this front room, throughout the whole house. It took a long time to get it mopped because I had to change out the water several times. But I was sore afterwards. So just to get it mopped, I'm going to have to break it down in sections to get it done. So now I am putting this mat down under my Peloton bike my husband got me for Christmas. But I got the mat to protect my floors from it. And it takes me a minute to get it on the mat because that thing is heavy. Very, very heavy. But I managed to get it on the mat without hurting myself. But I went in with some Windex to clean the screen because it just had some fingerprints on it. And I'm going to show you guys up close the bike here in a minute. So this is what my husband got me for Christmas. something I have been wanting for a long time, the Peloton bike. And it has a bunch of different classes that you can take, and then there's sceneries. And then you get like the scenery and everything with the instructor, which will start here in a few minutes, but my kids are watching Young and Hungry. But that is the Peloton bike. This thing is awesome. It comes with a small seat, but I had to go and get a new seat because this is the seat that the Peloton bike comes with. It is so small, and y'all, this is uncomfortable. If you guys decide to buy one of these bikes, go get you a new seat, because this is uncomfortable and it will bruise you so bad. But overall, I love that bike. It's something I have been wanting for a few years, but never really had anywhere to put it at our other house. So my husband bought it for me for Christmas this year, and I am loving it. My kids love it because they're on it. As soon as I get off of it, they'll get on, and it's pretty cool. But he paid $1,500 for it. But they do offer financing and everything, and it's like based off of your credit score. So, but they do offer financing and all that good stuff. So now I am moving on to the dining room. I went to Walmart and grabbed a little litter box, a food bowl, and some cat food and litter for my mother-in-law. They were coming down to visit for Christmas, but they were also bringing their kitties with them. So I was just getting stuff set up for them when they got here, because I know it's weird to say, but we do have cats, and our cats are housebroken. They do not use a litter box. I have one for them, but it's one of those electric litter boxes. But our cats don't use it. I have a bell on the back door, so when they need to go out, they'll just ring the doorbell, the little bell on the door, and they'll go out, do their business, and then they just come back in whenever they're ready. And I actually did that by accident. It's just one of those cute little Christmas hanging doorbells. Well, yeah, doorbells. I stuck it on the back door, and Thor, our big dog, he would hit it with his nose when he was ready to go outside. So I'm like, hey, that's kind of cool. So, and then the cats pick up on it. So when the cats were ready to go outside to use the bathroom, they would just ring the doorbell and they would just go out. So I did that by accident. But anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope y'all have a wonderful Tuesday, and I hope you guys had a fantastic Christmas, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.